were you told to wake up before sunrise? Why does every ritual begin after a bath? Why do we fast even when we are not sick? What if I told you these are not religious rituals? They are biological hacks designed thousands of years ago. Stay till the end because once you understand this, you will never see rituals the same way again. Brahma Muhurta. Before the sun rises, something powerful happens inside your body. Your cortisol levels naturally increase, making your brain more alert, more receptive. At this time, your memory is strongest. Your mind is calm and the world is silent. Ancient sages didn't randomly wake up early. They tapped into this natural peak performance state. Because during this time, your brain operates in a theta alpha state, the same state linked to deep creativity and clarity. And that is why they called it the most powerful time of the day. Your brain is literally rewired for success before the sun rises. Have you noticed? Every ritual starts after a bath, not just for cleanliness. When water touches your body, it activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for calmness and focus. Your stress drops, your mind becomes clear. But there is more. Your body carries subtle electrical energy and water helps reset this electromagnetic field. So before prayer, you are not just cleaning your body, you are preparing your entire energy system. You have heard Agarbatti. Do you know what it is? This is a simple incense stick and it is more powerful than it looks. Traditional Agarbatti made from herbs like sandalwood and tulsi. It releases natural compounds into the air. These compounds kill bacteria, reduce anxiety and improve breathing. Some studies even show they can reduce airborne microbes by up to 90%. Think about that. Your ancestors were purifying air without air purifiers. Joining your hands seems simple, right? But when your palms touch, pressure joints get activated, similar to acupressure. This improves focus, memory, and awareness. At the same time, it creates a connection between your mind and body. And here is the surprising part. It avoids physical contact, reducing the spread of germs. Namaste was social distancing thousands of years ago. Why do people circle temples? It's not random. Ancient temples were built on powerful geomagnetic energy zones. When you walk clockwise around them, your body aligns with Earth's magnetic flow. This improves blood circulation, calms your nervous system, and grounds your energy. It's not just walking. In Sanskrit, it is called Pradakshina. It is a moving meditation, synced with the earth itself. Why is Tulsi worshipped in homes? Because it's not just a plant. It releases oxygen for longer hours, purifying the air around you. It also has antibacterial, antiviral, and immunity boosting properties. Placing it at the corner, at the center of homes, was a natural way to protect the entire family. It wasn't just a plant, it was a complete health system. You have noticed turmeric in every ritual. Why? Because it contains curcumin, a powerful natural compound. It fights inflammation, kills bacteria, and supports healing. When applied on skin, it protects and purifies. Ancient rituals didn't separate spirituality and health. They combined both into one system. Fasting. It is never a punishment. It was about repair. When you fast, your body enters a state called autophagy, where it removes damaged cells, repairs itself, and becomes stronger. Today, modern science calls it intermittent fasting. But this practice existed thousands of years ago. What you call dieting, ancient India called discipline. Why do we clap during Aarti while doing puja in every festival? Because your palms are filled with nerve endings. Clapping stimulates them, improving blood flow and activating your brain. It's like natural acupressure. And when many people clap together, it creates a powerful collective energy field. Tilak. It's a small mark on your forehead and it is placed on a very important point, the Ajna Chakra, the center of focus and awareness. Applying tilak in almost all festivals and puja, it activates this point, the Ajna Chakra. It enhances concentration and even cools the mind. It's not decoration, it's a neurological trigger for clarity. Now think about this. What you thought were random rituals are actually precise life-enhancing techniques. They improve your mind, body and energy without you even realizing it. This wasn't a blind faith. This was ancient intelligence. The next time you see a ritual, don't ignore it. Pause, observe, and ask yourself, what hidden science is this carrying? Because sometimes the oldest traditions hold the most powerful truths. If this changed your perspective, comment down ancient science. Share this with someone who thinks rituals are meaningless. And subscribe because we are uncovering more hidden truths every week.